All right, so you guys seem to like the last vlog I did. Thought I would keep it up and do another one. Got actually a pretty interesting set of products on me for this video. I've got in this bag my Autel EVO, and then behind me I have the Gladius Mini. I've been slacking making Gladius videos just because every time I've tried to get out on the boat, something happened. Motor went, water pump went on the boat, so that didn't work out very well. I tried taking it into the Weeki Wachee River, which may not have been a good idea because the current was really strong and the Gladius just kept going sideways. So figure I'll take it out to the Weeki Wachee preserves to see if there's anything in these like phosphate pits. I've got a crazy walk ahead of me. I've got at least a mile walk to get there. It's really hot and I made a stupid decision of not bringing drinks with me, so we'll see how this pans out. Using an ROV is so different than using a drone, because like a drone you have like visual awareness, but with this you don't have like any awareness. It's sort of weird. I'm trying to see if there's any bass in here, but I'm not seeing anything. It's pretty deep actually. I'm not sure. You guys probably can't see. I'm having a hard time seeing anything. Damn, I'm disappointed with this. I need like a crystal sky for this thing. That would be super ideal. You're not supposed to swim in these things either. And honestly, I wouldn't swim in any lake in Florida or any body of water. I don't trust it. One, you got like these bacteria that love warm water, and two, alligator. Not that I see any gator in here, but man, I would be shocked if there wasn't. All right, so that was sort of a bust. I don't feel like this did very good in the water there. I'm gonna give the EVO a try now. See what I can do with this. Get my controller and let's see what we can make happen. This could be the worst part of coming out to this preserves, is all these little stickers everywhere on your shoes. Forget about it. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed with the Gladius right now. I don't know, it wasn't allowing me to change its pitch after a while, so I don't know what happened with that. The other thing I'm sort of disappointed about with it is just the clarity. It just doesn't do well, and this water is fairly clear. It's like a brackish freshwater mix apparently, so I don't know. A little disappointed just because, one, your phone isn't bright enough to see anything. I think that Gladius for $1,500, Chasin could have put out a monitor that was a higher brightness so you can actually see what the hell you're doing. That right there is one of the biggest downfalls. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to make a mount for my crystal sky, and then what I'll do is I'll install the Android app to it and see if that helps at all, because right now I'm not really using my crystal sky. I just got to figure out a way to make a mount so I can use it on the Chasin controller, because that controller is pretty flimsy. You know, when I initially saw this in Seattle, I was like, oh, this is actually pretty cool. But the more I use it, the more I'm like, man, they really skimped on this controller. I mean, the ROV itself, I mean, isn't bad, but damn, they could have spent a little more time and effort on the controller. But anyways, I got like a ridiculous long walk back to the car. Finally got all these sticker bushes off me. All right, guys, we'll talk again soon. Stay original.